Hello guys, in this video we are taking a look how you can create a workflow style view just with filters. So for this example we have one database which is called onboarding database, and as you can see here, if I change the onboarding status to in progress, and then it's still here, but then we're finished, we click on done and it leaves this view. If we now go on the next view, which is for active clients, we can see that all with the onboarding status done are here. If we now, for example, decide we finish with Mercedes, we click on the project status that it's done, and you can see it leaves this view. And if we now go on the client archive view, we can see it's now here. All of those things are done simply with filter views. And so how does it work? As you can see here, you just click on add filter, and this filter is that it only shows if the onboarding status is either not started or in progress. If we then go to our active clients view, we can see there are two filters activated. One is for the onboarding status should be completed, and the second one is the project status is either not started or in progress. And then the final view is, again, we want that the onboarding status is completed and the project status is completed as well. As you can see here, with those simple filters you create a workflow, because in the beginning all of your projects are in the onboarding. If the onboarding is finished, they jump into the active clients column, or the just active clients in this table, and afterwards they jump where you store all of your finished clients. This makes it quite easy for you to not lose an overview. And yeah, I hope this video helps you. As mentioned before, you don't need any automations for this. Just click here on this blue dot, then on filter, and you can choose any type of filter for whatever properties you use in your database. I hope this video helped you. Thank you so much.